The whispers of lazy and useless echoed through my life, a chorus of criticism from my parents and friends that I believed to be true. I felt trapped in mediocrity, convinced that my love for quiet contemplation and trying to get more by doing less was a fatal flaw. Then, I stumbled upon the story of Winston Churchill, a man renowned for his leadership, but also known for his laziness and his love of naps and his preference for delegating whenever possible. He understood that true power lay not in relentless activity, but in the ability to prioritize, strategize, and focus. As the great American author Robert Heinlein once proclaimed, progress is not made by early risers. It's made by lazy men trying to find easier ways to do something. This audacious statement challenged my ingrained belief that diligence is the sole key to success. It whispered a seductive truth that sometimes the most profound breakthroughs occur when we allow ourselves to step back, to let our minds wander, to seek a path less traveled. This revelation struck me like a thunderbolt. My laziness wasn't a weakness, but a strength, a superpower waiting to be unleashed. I began to question the traditional definition of hard work, challenging the notion that relentless effort was the sole path to success. Instead, I focused on maximizing my output with minimal input, leveraging my laziness and natural inclination for strategic thinking and observation. My parents and friends, initially skeptical, started to see a shift in me. My eyes sparkled with newfound purpose, my voice carried confidence, and my actions reflected clarity and intention. I became a champion for efficiency, a proponent of strategic laziness. I proved to the world, and most importantly to myself, that my laziness wasn't a weakness, but a tool to achieve my full potential and make a meaningful contribution to the world. It was about working smarter, not harder, turning my laziness into a superpower. So, if you find yourself labeled lazy, don't despair. Embrace it. Channel it. It could be your secret weapon, your path to unparalleled success. For within the quiet space of contemplation, within the gentle embrace of strategic laziness, lies the potential to unlock your full potential and leave your mark on the world. It wasn't long after that I realized laziness isn't the only trait mistakenly perceived as a weakness. There's a whole list of attributes often considered flaws that are actually strengths, things like impatience, shyness, procrastination, or even aggressiveness. If you want to learn more about these hidden strengths and develop yourself, watch the other video mentioned in the caption. Join us to learn more.